my balance. And you know, that's when the colors started to change.
Hello, once again. I was running short on battery and the clouds started coming in. I don't want to get caught. I mean, you can see pretty dark clouds. This place is notorious for flash flooding in these mountains. So anyways, I could not record much. Had to sort of rush back as much as possible, as quickly as possible. That was Wadi Abadilah. Not your typical name, but not your typical Wadi either. Fantastic, amazing location, super wild. I'd like to go in a little bit more deeper next time. We'll try and make it a lot earlier next time. Lessons learned. And hopefully with some company. It is quite isolated, so gotta be super duper careful. Just a twisted ankle can be a little bit of a nightmare. Anyways, that was Wadi Abadilah. Hopefully I'm saying that correct. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like the video, definitely hit the like button. It helps support the channel, and obviously leave a comment on what you thought of this wadi. Until next time, this is Moa signing out from Fujairah Wadi Abadilah 2021, first hike of the year. Looking forward to the rest of the year. Take care, everybody. See you later. Adios.